Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been such a long time, but I am finally finished with school. I'm about to go and take these clothes off now, and it'll be the last time. I'll never have to put them back on again. Oh, but anyway, in the next coming weeks, I've got so much stuff planned to do on the channel. I'll be posting weekly now that I've got no revision or anything to be in. So I'm sorry it's been so long, but I am back. I am doing videos weekly. I'll be collabing with Sean and stuff. It's gonna be good. I'm just about to go out now because I got no revision to do, so I can do anything. I'm going out with Sean now, so I'm just about to go get changed. That was quick. Going out right now. And I'm so glad I've got no more school whatsoever. There's literally no responsibilities for me for the next 3 months. I'm going holidaying to Cancun in 20 something days now. I'm going to be vlogging there as well. I'm staying for 2 weeks, so I'm going to take my MacBook and do editing and stuff there. And I've just got so much stuff there. It's gonna be good. Anyway, I'm going to ride to Sean's now. See you there. Oh yeah, and one last thing before I go out, I don't know if you can tell, but the quality is a lot better because I've got a new camera. I've got the NX3000 Samsung. It's much better quality than my old little Canon camera. See you at Sean's. Alright guys, I'm at Sean's now. I've just been to McDonald's. He's bought 80 chicken McNuggets for his video. He's right there recording behind the scenes of me. I'll put his link to his YouTube in his description. Go and subscribe to him. So yeah, we're going to get the chicken nuggets now, and I'll record the behind the scenes of Sean.
Vlog's obviously going to be in, but I'm just obviously going to say for this video's sake what I've done and bought. So today we went to McDonald's.
Stutter.
I was going to, you know, I'm editing that out, so what's the point?
No, I'm doing it on mine. I cannot explain to you how nice that's not. Just look at that cruddy nonsense.
Cruddy nonsense.
Ready? Oh yeah.
Oh, did you pay?
Wait, no.
Okay.
That's your box. What the hell? It's got poo stain on it, I swear.
Who's got poo stain?
Right, so for this video, I'm going to try and eat 20 chicken nuggets in less than a minute.
Me too.
In less than a minute.
Me too.
Time to sauce up. I'm opening them all up.
Oh yeah, that one's yours.
I'm setting a timer on my phone right now.
Sauce is in there so it doesn't.
Let it focus. Alright, that's not going to focus. I'm setting a timer on my phone now for 1 minute. Oh crap. Pause. Right, I've got a 1 minute timer set on my phone. Alright, I'm going to sit down and eat 26 chicken nuggets in 1 minute, hopefully. As I was saying, 26 delicious chicken nuggets.
And the sauce.
And the delicious barbecue sauce, McDonald's. My favourite.
I can eat more, yeah.
26. Even? Oh. 26 nuggets in 1 minute. No, Sean, hurry up now. My camera's about to die. R.I.P. to my camera. Yeah, setting the minute timer. Whoa! Are you ready? Yes. Minute timer in 3, 2, 1, go. I've been waiting to eat this all my I've only at one. 50 seconds. I'm constipated tomorrow. Oh. Is it? A minute, I only ate blooming 9. So now, wait. I'm just gonna set a stopwatch to do it to see how long it actually takes. Oh, free! Oh, it's cold. 1,000 calories. Oh my god, I'm gonna be I've got 2 nuggets left and I'm gonna be sick. Someone put more in my mouth. Why don't you throw it here? I was throwing them down my throat. This is so bad.
Did you give him a
Ding 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 ding. Yes. I completed that in 4 minutes 15 seconds. It took me over 5 minutes to eat 26 chicken nuggets. Oh, what the hell? Oh. Oi, stop throwing nuggets. Oh, god damn. 5 minutes to eat 26 chicken nuggets. What the heck? My YouTube channel's back now that I've finished my GCSEs. And I'm going to be uploading every week, at least once a week, sometimes maybe twice, maybe even 3 times. He's about to throw a nugget. There you go. Okay. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe. There's going to be videos every week now, at least. Now my GCSEs are over. Got nothing to do, basically. So, yeah, it's going to be... What is that? So, yeah, expect to see lots more videos of me and Sean, maybe Aiden and some of them. Yeah, it's going to be sick next few months. Oh, nearly got the last nugget.